Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Mantle at number 1, followed by Immutable X, Arbitrum, Cronos, Bittensor, dogwifhat, Stellar, Render, Maker, and with Hedera at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Mantle against USD. So Mantle is, yes sir, it was not severely, but it's just up only. Any signs of, no. Any hard targets? Yeah, no. So for us, Mantle will be a next trade. Immutable IMX against BTC. Here we are for Immutable. Okay, so Immutable is above the skinny pink line, and we're anticipating Immutable to eventually head back higher. This is a very controlled fall, which we like, right? Very controlled fall. It's like a wedge. Yeah, more likely than not, we're going to be returning back towards the upside, towards 9,006 from where we are. To 9,006 is 131% against USD. Excuse me. Mantle is also above the skinny pink line, and we still expect it to go higher. You're gonna see more data on. Okay, so on crypto. Yo, bro, what's this? IMX, bro. IMX. Let's look at it on Binance. Yeah, so there could be a little bit more upside. Wait, hang on, IMX USD. I think there's more on Coinbase though. $5? That's it? 100%? Huh, we're not too sure though. I feel like IMX could go into price discovery. Ah, that's not the end, bro. So 200% would translate to, yeah, potentially 200% for the USD pair as well. The all-time high for Immutable X is actually at about 942. Right now at 272. More upside, yes. Again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Immutable X. Arbitrum up against BTC. Here we are for Arbitrum. Okay, Arbitrum is weak against BTC. It's not doing well, bros. It's not doing well. Any signs of bullishness? Nope. We were anticipating Arbitrum to do something like this, but we've already taken out the lows. So, yeah, it's severely oversold. Severely oversold. There was a bullish engulfing, but we still went lower for Arbitrum. Anything on a weekly? No. It's weak. It's so weak. Not good. Not good. It's just not good. And let's look at a monthly. Yeah, it's just not good. Right, there's an engulfing, shooting star, went much lower, big red candlestick, big red candlestick. What's gonna happen this month? Are we gonna get hammer maybe? Could this be the recovery for Arbitrum BTC? Not too sure. Against USD, Arbitrum is still above the skinny pink line, right? And we're falling in a very controlled manner. So could this be the completion of a wave 2? Right, this whole thing is a 1, possibly a 2. And then we get a 3. And then we get a 4, and then we get a 5. Maybe, again, maybe. So, again, we're not entirely sure. We don't have any clear hard targets for Arbitrum at the moment. Cronos against BTC. Here we are for Cronos. We look at it on KuCoin. Okay, Cronos has a beautiful chart pattern against BTC. Again, we are anticipating this to happen. And we're waiting for this rally to come on for Cronos. When is this rally going to come? Again, we're not entirely sure. It feels to me like we're kind of consolidating for a breakout. You see that? CRO against USDT. How are we looking against USD? Good. It's looking good. Again, we are above the skinny pink line. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, right? The moment we break it, we remain with a bullish bias. So there's probably going to be significant resistance here though. But we're going to clear this very likely. Going to 55 cents potentially. Right now at 14 cents. Any clear hard targets for 14 cents? No. Are we in a bullish trend? Yeah. More upside for crypto.com? Yeah. 55 cents potentially. But again, 55 is not a hard target for us. There's just no clear hard targets for crypto.com. So if anything, yeah, again, still remain with a bullish bias. We are consolidating. And once this consolidation is done, crypto.com should be heading higher. Yeah, it should be about 200%. Okay, if we can't say for sure, but more likely than not, it should be heading higher. TAO against BTC. Okay, no, we don't have it. TAO against USDT. Okay, Bittensor. Okay, Bittensor is also severely overbought. Super overbought. Does this mean we can't go any higher? No. Can we still go higher? yeah. But this is a good time to go long. Unless you know what you're doing, is very dangerous. So yeah, for us, Bittensor is a no-go. Dogwifhat, width against BTC. Here we are for width. Nothing much against USDT. Okay, let's look at it on gate. Okay, there was a nice symmetrical that came in. Bam! We busted off. Consolidation. Bam! We're out again. More upside. I would assume that, yes, there could be more upside. We are in a retracement right now. So, yeah, probably heading towards... Again, we're not entirely sure. Maybe $3. Yeah, but, you know, on the RSI, you can really see some weakness coming in. Right? Some weakness coming in. Higher highs, but lower highs. MACD is still good, though. So, I suspect there's still more upside for Dogwifhat. I don't think this is it. I think we're going to go a little bit higher. But again, if you are not sure of what you're doing, I don't think it's a good idea to be going in here. Right? So, yeah. Be careful about rushing into a trade too soon. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Here we are for Stellar Lumens. Okay, you can see that the volume is picking up here, right? Which means that the whales, the big players, are making moves. Are we going to see Stellar Lumens reverse back here? Okay, we're not entirely sure. Are we still in a bearish trend? Yeah. Any signs of bullishness? Nope. Nope. So how will we know if things are about to go parabolic? Normally you see signs. First rally fails. Lower low. Second rally fails. Lower low. Third rally. Woohoo! Sayonara! So we could get something like this as well. Right? Are we severely oversold? Yeah. But it's better to be safe. For us, it's a no-go. Against USD, yeah, Stellar still doesn't look good. We don't like that it's marking around the skinny pink line. We could just as easily zip lower to where? 5 cents. Right now we're at 12 cents. So if Bitcoin dips hard, Stellar Lumens is going to 5 cents. More likely than not. So again, we preach caution when it comes to Stellar. Render! Render against BTC. Here we are for Render. Anything for Render? No. Again, as long as you're above the skinny pink line, remain the bullish bias. Expect more upside for Render. And this is against BTC. You want to see coins gaining strength against BTC. Against USD, yeah, still above the skinny pink line. But we touched it though. So this was scary. But anyway, we continue higher. Right. If this whole thing is a 1, 2, whole thing is a 3. We're probably going to form a 4. And then we're going to go up for a 5. So I don't think this is the highs yet. I don't think this is the top. I think there's another one coming on. But we're in a deep consolidation right now. Right. I can already count 3 waves. I suspect this could be a 5-wave move before we resume higher. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. So we're not going to be rushing to anything for Render at this point of time. Maker. Okay, Maker's BTC pair is beautiful. So beautiful. Right. If you look over here, I suspect this is really an ABCDE. And we could be very, very close to a super breakout. And after that, we're probably going to come back down, consolidate a little bit. Bam! We go higher for Maker. Maker looks really beautiful though. Beautiful BTC pair. Against USD, we are just up only. Look at how strong Maker is. We're 3008. We had a target over here at 1008. But past that, double that. More upside. We're kind of overheated. Again, the highs is over here. So this is going to act as resistance to this area. So I suspect that we're probably going to come down, consolidate a little bit before heading higher. Or if we were to break higher, I would expect a bit of a consolidation before heading higher, right? But our Maker BTC looks beautiful. And if Maker BTC does well, USD is going to do even better. Hedera! Okay, I'm not sure what Hedera is doing. Hedera has just been, again, mucking around. But the BTC pair looks good as well. We suspect there could be something for the BTC pair, right? Something like this. Something like Maker as well. Bam! We go higher. But we need to see the move come in. We need to see buying pressure. Where is that buying pressure? Yeah, it's not here yet. It has not arrived. Against USD, yeah, still good. We still have a target over here. It's a hot target at 18.5 cents. We're at 10 cents. So yeah, definitely more upside. Once we resume the uptrend, again, we broke the ascending triangle's resistance line 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, bam! And after that, we retouched it again, support, right? Resistance once broken becomes support. Boing, 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 pump, continue higher. Yes. Could we maybe like, do a cheeky move down, clear all of this before continuing? Of course. Any signs of bullishness yet? Nope. We're consolidating. So I suspect that we will be resuming the uptrend eventually, not too far away, in the not too distant future. How much higher do you think we could go? Again, there will be significant resistance here. So even if you were to hit higher, 40 cents plus minus. Again, no clear hard targets for HBAR at this point of time, except 18.5. Right, 40 cents, 44 cents. Yeah, no, it's not hard target. This is a resistance area, I would say. So yeah, the potential is there though. But anyway, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Hedera hash graph. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have yet to check out, yesterday we did the top 30. See you in the next one. Ta-da!